बात करता हूं, मैं एक्सट्रीमिस्ट हूं जस्टिस में, मैं एक्सट्रीमिस्ट हूं, शिद्दत से जस्टिस पसंद करता हूं। लोग बोलेंगे ठीक है भाई साहब को लाइन तोड़ने दी, मान लिए भाई आप जरा पॉलिटिशियन होंगे, ठीक है। फिर आप उर्दू में सवाल किए, हिंदी में सवाल किए, वो भी मान लिए। आप बोलेंगे हिंदी में जवाब दो, तो बाकी लोग बोलेंगे इश्तिहार तो दिया अंग्रेजी का, बात करें हिंदी में। तो अगर 5-10% जो हिंदी नहीं जानते, इतने हमारे देश विदेश से, किधर ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, अमेरिका से, यूके से, सऊदी से, इन लोग हिंदी नहीं जानते, आप समझ रहे ना। तो मैं अगर हिंदी में जवाब दूंगा तो मैं इनजस्टिस करूंगा। आपको सवाल का जवाब करने का मैंने मौका दे दिया, उसका मैं तर्जुमा कर रहा हूं, जवाब दे रहा हूं। अगर जवाब नहीं समझ सके, अब नहीं समझते, तो रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएंगी आपको, और बाद में इंशाल्लाह अबू आसिफ आदमी साहब से बोल दूंगा कि आपको तर्जुमा करके समझा दे, इंशाल्लाह, ठीक है ना।
धन्यवाद।
So as he was saying that the criteria for judgment in Hinduism, he said that you have to lead your life happily, earn. In Islam, we have to lead your life happily, yes, but on the basis of taqwa. The only criteria in which a person makes you superior, it is taqwa, it is righteousness, it is God consciousness. It's not money, it's not wealth, it's not sex, it's not caste, it's not creed. Now coming to his question that the Quran is such a book, such a good book, is it that there's problem in communication regarding the preachings of Quran, or are we not able to understand? That's the reason, brother, we're having this talk. Islam, the solution for humanity. The problem is in media portraying Islam. And we Muslims, it's our fault. I do agree with you. We aren't expert in media. We Muslims are to blame. As it is the duty of every Muslim to convey the message of Islam, to convey the message of the Quran to the whole of humanity. We aren't doing a full job. We are trying. We are trying a level best. Today, the best way you can reach the masses. Now, see the gathering. Surely hundreds of thousands, I don't know how many. But yet, for us, it is retail. 100,000 is retail for me. We believe in millions. Therefore, we are showing live on the satellite channel. And there's estimated viewership of more than 60 million people watching. 60 million. The 100,000, 200,000 is peanuts. I can give shahada to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we have delivered the message to humankind. And 60 million is at least 1%, yet it is nothing. 1% of humankind if you count it to be 6 billion. What we want, that we Muslims should be more forward in media. There should be more channels. It should spread much more. And I do agree with you, there is a problem in understanding. That's the reason, as you mentioned, that we are being labeled as extremists, as fundamentalists, as terrorists. And my talk was based on that how should you reply when a person says that you are a fundamentalist, you are a terrorist, you are extremist. So hopefully, inshallah, you'll get the translation after this lecture. Hopefully. Hope that answers the question, brother.
Yes. Is there a brother, non-Muslim there?
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Sir, my name is Gil Roy from Bombay. I'm a businessman. And thank you for the opportunity to speak here. I really enjoyed today, my first time. And my question is about conversions into and out of Islam. Now, many Muslim countries do not permit conversion out of Islam. Some even use the sword and they have death penalty. But correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know of any non-Muslim majority country which prohibits people from converting into Islam. Now, what is the right thing in Islam? Because as you say, you don't need the sword for Islam, and thousands and millions of followers will anyway get into Islam. Then why, if someone wants to convert out, those countries, are they right? I mean, why can't they allow people and see for themselves if someone wants to convert out of Islam? For example, if America today, which is largely Christian, more than majority Christian, if they would prohibit conversions into Islam, then what would be your response?
The brother asked a very good question and a very important question. This question has got two parts. The first part is that why